Hello everyone, myself S. Mahesh. Here I am going to start a new course for you all, that is electrical machines. So generally the electrical machines can be categorized into four types. Those are electrical machines. So this part is electrical machines 1. Like that, the second part can be categorized into electrical machines 2. So the courses which comes under electrical machines 1 are DC machine, and second one is transformers, and the courses which comes under electrical machines 2 are synchronous machines, and the last category is induction machines. And apart from this, we have to discuss special machines, right? So these are the categories which comes under electrical machines. So electrical machines means which going to discuss DC machines, transformers, synchronous machines, induction machines, and in addition with that, special machines. So now we are going to start with electrical machines 1. So I am going to discuss the concept of electrical machines 1 in 5 modules, right? So first module is nothing but review of magnetic circuits. Review of magnetic circuits means we have to discuss the concept of MMF, that is magnetomotive force, magnetic flux, reluctance, and laws of electromagnetism, in addition with that, those are nothing but Ampere's law, Biot-Savart's law, right? BH curve of magnetic materials. Later we have to discuss losses in machines. Those are nothing but hysteresis and eddy current losses. Later we have to discuss Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, which means how we can get the EMF. Faraday's explained some laws. So based on those laws, we have to get the clear-cut analysis of how we are going to get the EMF, and we have to get the clear-cut concept of how many types of EMFs that we are going to get that from the machines. Those are nothing but DC machines. Maybe it is a transformer, maybe it is a synchronous machine. Okay, so in this Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, we have to discuss statically induced EMF, dynamically induced EMF, right? Next, Lorentz force equation. Next, energy stored in magnetic circuits. So these are the contents which comes under module 1. Those are nothing but basics of magnetic circuits. Those are nothing but MMF, flux, reluctance, laws of electromagnetism. Those are nothing but Biot-Savart's law and Ampere's law, and BH curve of magnetic materials and losses. Those are nothing but hysteresis and eddy current losses. And next we have to discuss Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, means how the EMF will be induced in any of the machine, whether it is a DC machine or transformer or synchronous machine. Those are nothing but statically induced EMF, dynamically induced EMF. And later we have to discuss Lorentz force equation followed by energy stored in magnetic circuits. This is nothing but module 1. Next, coming to module 2. Module 2 is nothing but DC machines. Now the actual course starts from this module 2. So DC machines, let us say DC machines 1, right? So in this we have to discuss the basic construction of DC machine, construction. This is very important concept. Means what are the main parts of DC machines? Okay, yoke, armature, where we have to get the armature winding, so like that. So different parts of machine we have to discuss. That is nothing but construction of DC machine. And armature winding, this is very important concept. So in this we have what? Lap and wave windings. We have to discuss lap and wave windings and the concept of commutation, So in this we have to discuss types of commutation. We have to discuss types of commutation and EMF equation of generator and torque equation of motor, and types of DC machine. In this we have what? DC generator, DC motor, right? Next, module 3. So module 3 is nothing but the another part of DC machine. Module 3, that is continuation of DC machine. DC machines 2. The contents which are present in this module 3 are generator action in motor, like that, motor action in generator, and we have to discuss the characteristics of DC machines and speed control of DC motors. Finally, testing of DC machines. These are very important concepts in DC machines. We have to discuss in detail. We have in detail analysis of each and every concept. Don't worry. So that's it for module 3. Next, module 4. Module 4 is nothing but transformers. Transformer 1. Okay. So the contents which comes under transformers 1 is nothing but principle of transformer and construction, ideal transformer characteristics. Next, we have to discuss practical transformer, later no load operation of transformer. Next, transformer on transformer on load condition. Next, we have very most important concepts in transformers. Those are nothing but effect of resistance, effect of R and reactance. Next, we are going to discuss performance indices. Those are nothing but efficiency and voltage regulations of transformer and equivalent circuits refer to primary and secondary circuits, and open circuit and short circuit tests. Finally, remaining miscellaneous, right? Miscellaneous concepts. So these are the contents which comes under module 4. These are nothing but single phase transformer. Okay, the module 4 deals with single phase transformers. So coming to module 5, we have to discuss 3 phase transformers. So in this module 5, we have to discuss construction of 3 phase transformer, differences between single phase and 3 phase transformer, and types of connections are nothing but star star, star delta, delta star, delta delta, and open delta connection, SCART connection, parallel operation of transformer, and we have to discuss auto transformer, differences between two winding transformer and auto transformer. Finally, miscellaneous concepts. So these are the basic contents which comes under module 1 to module 5. So we have to discuss in detail analysis of each and every concept from tomorrow onwards. This is about electrical machines 1. So the contents of synchronous machines and induction machines that we are going to discuss in electrical machines 2. So as of now, first we have to discuss DC machine concept as well as transformer concept, that is electrical machines 1. Thank you.